guys I was going to take you along my journey with renovating and designing my space. So my first space that I will be working on when I come in back in my house will be the dining and the kitchen area. Excuse the mess. We still trying to get stuff together. Got dustpan and stuff all over this. Just got stuff all over the place. Excuse it though. So on this wall I had like some artwork, but I was at home tonight and I saw a big round clock, and I think that clock would add a nice timeless look to the space. Then what I think I had like a Chanel artwork on the wall, and I think I'll put that Chanel artwork in another place, probably in my spare room, where I plan on doing like a custom closet, but that'll be later on. I do want to change the curtains to like a antique white, like a beige color. Because I feel like since the space is so small, I think these curtains, like, you know, make the space look even smaller because it gives it like a darker look. So I want to kind of brighten up the space. If you watch my previous video of my dining room, you'll see how dark it was. I do plan on using the same table that I had, but as far as the chairs, I have different chairs, and I'm going to show you because I have it in my laundry room. But this, hold on a second. This is what my dining room chairs will look like. So you see, it has like a black and a gray look to it. It looks custom to me. I like different pieces. Like, I don't want my house to look like everybody else's house, you know? So I kind of look for different things to, you know, make it pop a little bit more. But I have 3 of these chairs. I need 1 more to finish the space. And I'll still be using my same dining room table, the glass dining room table that I have. And I'll be changing the rug. And I'm definitely going to link the video to my dining area so you can kind of see what it looked like before. But instead of a rectangle rug, I want to put a round rug. In the space. And then I don't know if I have a room for like a little table to go back here, but we will see. I just want to utilize my space properly. I'm a firm believer, it doesn't matter. The size of your house is how you use your space, I believe. Listen, you can live anywhere and make your space livable and beautiful to your needs. It does not matter where you live at. It can look just like out of the magazine. I'm a firm believer. You don't have to have no big old mansion. You know, that's just me now. Here I am ranting. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I have in mind for the space. I'm thinking about painting this door like a dark black, or maybe I'll leave that white and paint like the laundry room a black color, because I am going to paint the back of my my entryway door black, because it's tore up, y'all. It's tore up. But yeah, this is the other view of my kitchen. So help me choose the backsplash to go this way. Okay, so these are some tile options I have. Now I bought these tile last year from Lowe's. They had them on sale. I have a lot of these in the closet because I bought them because they were on sale. However, this, you guys, and excuse this because of course I left it here and the tenants waste something on it, but this is just a sample, but you can kind of get the idea of, you know, what color it is. It's all white and it has these mirrors in the middle. I thought that would be so nice as a backsplash. I'll try to do it and hold the camera up right. But look at that. What do you guys think? Should I go with this one that I have to buy more of? Or should I go with this one that I already have enough to finish the job? I mean, I think, you know, they both look good, but the one with the mirrors give it like a custom look to me though. Excuse my Mountain Dew. And then I have some poles to go on my cabinets. Just the regular poles. I don't know if I want to do nothing fancy. I'll try to put a clip in of the clips that I do, the poles that I do have. So comment down below, which one should it be? This one or this one? Help me decide. And I will definitely show you the knobs that I have. I don't know if I want to go too extra on the knobs. I don't know if I want to have the knobs going this way or that way. I don't know. That's why I'm taking y'all along on my journey so you can help me out. But I think it'll all come together. Oh, how could I forget? I'm going to be getting rid of these pendants faster than this. And I actually have some pendant lights in mind that I think will go perfect. And I saw on Amazon. They have like this crystal here, like this. It has this crystal on the outer part of it. And then you see the drop crystals in my living room. It has the drop crystals in the middle. So I think it'll give it like a nice cohesive look, like to tie everything together that I have going on in here. So yes, I can't wait for that. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of that in the next clip. So thank you guys for watching. This is the first video of my Decorate With Me series. And you let me know how you like these videos and I will definitely keep cranking it out. Until next time, bye.